Hi everyone, I'm Francesca. I just recently purchased a 2003 Silverado. I only paid $6 grand for it, but it was not the best shape and I couldn't afford it. Really expensive. Trucks are really expensive. For 2003, it ran really good, so I thought I'd take a chance on it, fixing it up. Now, my biggest thing is you want a little better gas mileage than 13.9 and all that. That's what I was getting before. So I went ahead and changed to dual exhaust. And I know the more it flows, the better the gas mileage you'll get. So if you can see that, these are the dual exhaust system with the Magnaflows. And it works really good, sounds fantastic. Good rumble to it. Now, there were some lots of paint chips, lots of small dents, and a large one on the door. And I pulled out most of the dents here with the glue gun and the dent puller. And that worked pretty good. If you work on it, it would take you days to get it out. Did put a new bed liner. I'll go around the truck here a little bit. Hope that you can see all that. And it's flawless. Paint is flawless now. I rubbed it all out, shiny. The main thing with these trucks is that they get a lot of rock chips right here. Right here, and if you can see that, there is not one rock chip in there. I redid the paint myself, and with the pin, and it's a tedious work, but you can do it, and all that. So it's not perfect, but it's there. Now the interior is really nice. Now it was faded, so got the 17-inch wheels. Not the best wheels in the world. Not my choice. Let's go around here again. Let's go on this side, open the doors. There's one emblem I replaced. Put new mats. Redid the seats. They were faded. And but Duplicolor makes a paint for your seats, more like a dye, and it comes out just as beautiful as brand new. And they work really well. And the dash is in perfect shape. Everything works. Headliner's been redone. It's been re-glued. It's coming down. I have a few things in the way here. And the seats in the back are been done and repainted, and they feel like brand new seats. And this was all faded, it was all different colors. Now it's all one color, medium gray, and the rugs are in perfect shape. Every gauge works, radio works. Got the 6 CD changer. Put Bluetooth in there, and 4-wheel drive works perfect. Used it during the snow time. And great truck. It's got 200,000 miles on it. It's got the body, and this is Francesca. And thank you for watching my video, and we'll hope to hear from you soon.